ya. From Paggee Beach to Cabarita, every generation stronger. St. Mary born heart never falter. Port Maria, one family, one love, one history. Everybody sing. Port Maria, sunrise pan the harbour. Fishing boat them gone already. Grandfather Nehemiah, legend pan the sea. Captain Skip teach whole generation. Read the moon, read the stars, find home without GPS. Real navigation, Pajjee Scheme raise warriors. Talk a circle race kings from pickney days. Barefoot on the sun, now everybody represent the thing, yeah. Big up Gwendolyn Hamilton, foundation strong. Donna Hamilton, Julia Hamilton, family tree live long. Kenneth, Mustapha, Muwaa-Keel, teaching discipline, teaching purpose, teaching real. Kareema, Shakeerah, Nicole, Trish, one Hamilton family. Bless every wish, Kyle Green, one touch. Dave, everybody know the name when Port Maria call. Everybody answer say Miss Lucky Bakery, fresh bread every morning. Charmaine restaurant, food keep people coming. Miss Geraldine, Miss Cooper meat shop, always hardware. Everything you need, one stop. Miss Donna print, always hold it down. Dr. Right, healing up the town. Love and faith ministries, keep the people praying. Fireman ready, police protecting every day. Omar Simmons car wash, everything clean. Miss Sonia, long time Higgler community queen. Miss Mabel restaurant, whole place lively. God Russell phone repair quickly. Brian Deere, Alwins too. Everybody hustling, doing what them do. Casa Maria staff, treat visitors right. Port Maria shine, morning, noon, night. Some people chase big city lights, oh, but heaven already touched the shore. Sea breeze, coconut trees, children laughing, fishing stories. This is home.